Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I'm just doing a quick video about Binance. Well, specifically about my son. He actually came home this weekend from the university and showed me where he was able to make $282 in one day, which was a 6.8% return on his investment. And these were the trades that he took. And I was like, man, that's pretty cool. Now, mind you, he's 18 years old, and his goal is to be a billionaire by 30. That's his personal hashtag, billionaire by 30. And so I told him to sit down and share with me his strategy, because as you know, I use GDAX for mine. So I use that in my trading, and he prefers to use Binance. So I've done a couple videos showing how I use either Bitcoin to the US dollar or Ethereum to the US dollar. And one of my users actually commented and said that Litecoin to the US dollar, if I can get it on here, let me fix this real quick. Litecoin to the US dollar, that would have been an even better trade to use. And I was looking at it last night, thinking about doing it last night, because I saw this, it hit low, and I thought, I wonder if, what kind of movement I would get doing a trade, buy low, sell high, that type of thing. So anyway, that's something I'm going to be looking to do, but also learning his strategy on Binance as well. And he uses Tether. So he does the same thing as I do, but he just uses a different platform for it. So I was really happy to see that he was able to get all of these trades in one day. That was Friday. And he was able to get all these trades in and have this kind of awesome return. So if you can get this kind of return, I told him, I said, if you could just do that 4 times out of the year, that's a nice little, over $1,000 month just to be messing around one day a week looking for these kind of trades, let alone if you're able to do it every single day. Now, we all got into the lending platforms, which have since petered out, and of course the lending platforms say that they can do 1% a day. But this is kind of awesome to be able to do this 6.8% in one day, which basically takes care of a whole week. So anyway, just wanted to show that to you and let you know that that is possible to use multiple platforms, whether it's GDAX or whether it's Binance. And I know Binance went down for a couple days. They had some stuff to go that they were dealing with. But anyway, it's still an awesome way for you to learn how to make some extra money every single day. So anyway, practice your trades, practice learning how to make money for yourself. It's an awesome skill, and it will definitely bring more money into your home. All right, and I'll be coming out later on with some more videos on cryptocurrency trading and different strategies as well. All right, you guys have an awesome day. Take care now.